I am writing standard form of a polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial. I am giving an example of standard form of a polynomial. If any polynomial we write in the decreasing order of their power as x power 5 plus 4x power 4 minus 3x power 3 to x square plus 5x plus 5. This is a standard form of a polynomial. Why? Because we are writing here all the exponent positive. All the exponents are positive here and in the decreasing order of their power. So this is the standard form of a polynomial. We can take it any variable x or in variable y. This is a polynomial in x variable of degree 5, or we can write it also with y power 5 plus y minus 7. This is a polynomial with variable y with degree 5. Hello students, welcome you all in math class with a new chapter 8 polynomials. In polynomial, first of all, I am discussing you about what are polynomials. See here, all of you have learned about the algebraic expressions of these types. Means in the last year in class 7th you have listened about y square, 2y, 3x cube, x5, 1 upon x square. These are the algebraic terms. But now we are learning about the polynomials, means in which we write these algebraic terms with the addition and subtraction signs. Now first of all, what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable means y or x and y are variable, are non-negative integer. Exponent means degree, these 2, or you can say this power 3, this power 5. These are the exponents, but x and y here are the variables, means are non-negative integers, means positive. Non-negative means positive integers is called a polynomial. And then these are the examples of polynomial. But now I am discussing about in 3 examples which are polynomials and which are not polynomials. Listen student, here if the exponent is positive, then we can say this is a polynomial, means here y power 2, y square, here power is 1. Then we can say is a polynomial. This is a form of simple polynomial in variable y. Now in the next example, it is x power 3 minus 3x power minus 3, or you can say 3x power minus 2 we can write here. This is a negative power here. When the power is negative, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Means in polynomial, we cannot take any negative degree or any negative exponent. Now thirdly, here we see this power is positive, this exponent is positive, but here I have written 1 upon x square, means x power minus 2. If we reciprocate it, it becomes x power minus 2. So this power is negative, so it is not a polynomial again. So only a polynomial is in which all the variables having exponent, positive exponent, then it is a polynomial, otherwise it is not a polynomial. I am again telling you about degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial? This is the highest power, or you can say highest exponent. Suppose one exponent is only, or one polynomial is only x power 9, or you can say x power 100 plus 100. So here highest power is 100, so we can say degree of a polynomial is 100. Here we can say degree of polynomial is 9. Here we can say degree of polynomial is 5, and here we can say degree of polynomial is 5. And after that, I am again discussing you about terms in a polynomial. Here so many terms are attached with, joined with plus or minus sign. Means this is the first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. These are known as terms. Simply we can say it as terms. So if we see the sign here, the sign before the term, here it is positive, it is negative, it is negative. So these are the sign before the term. Suppose we are writing the coefficient of 4x power 4. So we will write here plus 4 is the coefficient. Coefficient is plus 4. And here the coefficient is minus 2. Here the coefficient is minus 2. So these are the terms with the different coefficients. Sometimes you will get the question, you write down the coefficient. So you will write here with the sign also. If the positive sign is here, you will write the positive sign, and if the negative sign is here, you will write the negative sign. And now we will discuss about the terms, and this is called the constant term here. This is the mainly constant. In the polynomial, constant term having no variable. A term without variable. A term without variable. Constant term means, now I am discussing about the constant terms. We can say constant polynomial. And what is the constant polynomial here? Constant polynomial means a polynomial without variable, means 5, minus 5, you can say 7, minus 9, or any number having no variable x and y. These are the constant polynomial. Now I am writing standard form of a polynomial. Standard form of a polynomial. I am giving an example of standard form of a polynomial. If any polynomial we write in the decreasing order of their power as x power 5 plus 4x power 4 minus 3x power 3 to x square plus 5x plus 5. This is a standard form of a polynomial. Why? Because we are writing here all the exponent positive. All the exponents are positive here and in the decreasing order of their power. So this is the standard form of a polynomial. We can take it any variable x or in variable y. This is a polynomial in x variable of degree 5, or we can write it also with y power 5 plus y minus 7. This is a polynomial with variable y with degree 5.